今日咧，我主要都想多謝唔同嘅人去成就今日咁特別嘅一個籌款 Afternoon Tea。首先呢，我代表願望成真基金咧，要多謝美麗華酒店同佢團隊，多謝 Alan。願望成真基金咧係幫一班有病嘅小朋友啦，希望去實現啲願望。當我接觸咗呢個基金之後，先至發現原來幫小朋友實現呢個願望咧，係可以俾佢哋好多希望同埋力量。在每一位今日你嚟到，其實係幫緊好多小朋友，佢哋去不斷面對佢挑戰之餘，係用更加正面嘅態度咧面對佢跟住嘅人生。所以我多謝大家在每一位。
I think it really encourages all of us to continue with our dreams and our passions and learn not to give up when we face obstacles.
首先我好多謝機構啦，俾我哋實現咗呢個願望。因為對於當時我哋嚟講，我哋係身處一個絕境咯。呢個好似係一個希望啊，即係我哋好似全家人有一個目標，希望之前有一日可以真係實現佢個願望。咁當然佢呢個過程，我哋希望佢可以少少一步一步實現呢個過程都係好重要啦。
俾我呢個繼續努力呢個願望嘅動力，希望可以用更多嘅機會可以幫到其他人。
喺願望成真基金，我哋作為一個慈善機構，我哋每一日嘅工作呢，其實好唔悶嘅，因為每一個願望我哋都係一個 tailor-made 嘅旅程俾小朋友，80%幾嘅小朋友其實都可以康復過嚟。
I wanted to go to Hong Kong Disneyland ever since I've heard it first opened because it was a chance in a lifetime I could experience something that during my cancer treatment which gave me hope. When I heard that someone donated money to give me the chance to make my wish come true,